you might find yourself wondering, well, what do I do? I don't have these leads in the system. Well, that's kind of the power of the 2.0, building in an all-in-one system. So, like I said, you guys might have had a CRM or a database before, and truthfully, a lot of times people just really don't have a good experience because these systems were built over 20 years ago, and they didn't really think about you when they were building it. They were thinking about the technology. And so that is what we have tried to do differently over here at Workflow Secrets. I have worked really hard to make sure that every action I take, every thing I build in here, every click that I decide to have is very intuitive. It's really easy for you to understand because I've spent my entire career inside of real estate technology, and the number of real estate agents that I've had to talk to on their worst day, when they're most frustrated because their system wasn't working for them, is not a small number. And I don't want that. You don't deserve that. You deserve to have great days and be great at real estate and your technology to do what it's supposed to do. And so that's why I built Sam how I did.